Hi, I'm Mrs. Bennett, the cosmetology teacher here at Brennan High School in this brand new hairstyling and aesthetics room. We've worked on administrators, we've worked on math teachers, but this is going to be a task. I know my students are talented and I know they can handle it.
Come on, Squawk, we need to fix you up for Thursday!
Yes,
Let's go, Squawk!
Let's go! Ooh, Squawk needs a full makeover, full treatment, hair wash, nails done, style. Let's get to work, students.
You're gonna look amazing when I finish with you.
We're so glad you came. We're gonna take good care of you.
Oh, your hair's very damaged and dry. You're gonna need some deep conditioning treatments. But don't worry, it's going to be okay.
Whoa, Squawk, when was the last time you got a pedicure? But don't worry, you're in good hands.
Alright, let's get you to the next step.
Wow, Cosmo class, I'm so proud of you. I didn't think that you could pull this off. Wow!